TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 103. You get the Nasdaq up 29. S&Ps are up 9. Gold contract down $33, trading at 11.30. Silver's down $1.10, $16.12. They're taking both of them south with some real volume here. Platinum's down $12, $912 an ounce. You get copper off a penny at $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude down 60 cents, trading at $51.48 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 13 ticks, 123 even. 30-year bond off 5 ticks, 148.10. Now, notes and bonds, this is going to get intriguing here. We had the Fed go up on short-term rates. They plan on going up 3 times in 2017. Both notes and bonds this morning, however, have rejected lower price. King dollar up 1,372 ticks. You're at 103.105. Bottom line, folks, you're way over these highs, and it's going to be intriguing to see if, in fact, this King dollar is a ABC up to 113. It'll be a total mind blower if it is. But guess what? If it is, there's a disconnect in between King dollar right now and the indices, because these large companies will lose a fortune with the King dollar up at those levels. Euro's trading at 104, and the yen is out here at 118.39. We go over and we take a look at the S&P. This is what you have happening in the SPY. SPY came down yesterday with volume. You come off the high. So first off, you hit a high on Tuesday. We hit that high, 228.34. You did 110 million shares. 228.34. You did 110 million shares. You come down yesterday on 142 million. Today is going to basically give us quite a bit of information. And what you'll be looking for is this bump up into this 227 area. You're looking for volume less than 142 million. You get that into quad witching tomorrow. That'll be a down day coming into quad witching. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow is this. Same type of setup. Bottom line is that inside the actual indice yesterday, there really wasn't a lot of volume. We did 1 billion shares. So if today you stay up, and we stay up with like 800 million, that would set up a leg down tomorrow. Nasdaq Composite. What do you have at the Composite? Same type of setup in the Composite. Composite's up $24 right now. If we go over to the NDX 100 and we take a look at the NDX, what you're going to see is that the NDX, it looks to me, actually wants to hit the high. There's a differential here. The 121.11 looks like it wants to get hit. Russell 2000, different animal. Now, the Russell 2000 gave out a huge amount of information yesterday. That baby came off the highs and came off those highs with big volume. We had made a high first last week at 138.82. That high was generated with 34 million shares. We came down yesterday with 45 million. You're doing a counter trend bounce right now. I expect this can get into about the 136.51. Bottom line, if you do lighter volume, that's going to set up a run down to the 130.26 area. Gold contract, they took apart out here. Gold's right now trading 166,000 contracts. You're down $34. We're at 11. We hit 11.27. If you take a look at the continuous contract, what you have here inside the continuous contract, this is going back to February, where this thing went topside from. We take a look at the GC1. This continuous contract here, we're at 11.27. You take this back, and what you're going to see is that you're coming into 11. This is going to be intense because 11.15 is actually game. I don't think it's going to go there, but it's game. You're into the bar from February 5th. King dollar. Well, here, let's go to the bonds. You go to the bonds first. The notes. What we have with the notes. The 10-year has gone from 122.14. Right now, you're at 122.30. Bottom line, we'll see whether it rejects all of those lower prices. 30-year has done the exact same thing, meaning the rejection of that lower price. The 30-year is actually pretty strong, which is intense, because the 30-year got under the 147.10. Bottom line, you're only down 7 ticks. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.